Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this problem, we are going to see a fluid solid thermal simulation of a mixer T assembly to compute both fluid flow and heat transfer between the fluid and solid regions. The, sim the simulation computes the fluid field. The simulation compute the flow field, the average outlet temperature from the hot and cold water mixing, solid temperature, and the pressure drop through the mixer T. Let's see. So here we have defined for this part material structural steel and fluid is water, gravity is acting on the model, and solid thermal conditions we define insulated. My material is insulated, and convection, the heat losses due to convection, we have defined convection coefficient, and at 22 degrees Celsius fluid is flowing. We can see this is inlet and that is outlet. So we have first inlet 0.1 meter per second 25 degrees Celsius, second inlet 0.1 meter per second 50 degrees Celsius, and third we will see, and connections we have defined between that flanges that is bonded with each other. Now we're going to calculate the problem, which click solve. So here we can see this side we have more temperature as compared to this side when fluid is going outside. So maximum temperature we can see it showing up to 50. So we can also check that velocities. We can also play the animation to see the flow. We can see that flow in streamline or in particle form. I want to see that total pressure. We can see the total pressure on the body. We can see the total heat flux as well. We'll play it. So we'll see final velocity. I want to see what is the velocity drop happening, and temperature and all we can check. So this is how we have done the simulation. Thank you for watching this video.